Okay, part 25. Let's go back. Let's go back to probationary employees. Ah, ano pa bang na-miss natin? So, yung criteria for regularization, saan dapat ipinapaalam to sa empleyado? So, kung halimbawa, well, the criteria for regularization must be made. Ang wordings kasi is that there must be a probationary contract at the time of engagement. So kailangan ba to nakalagay yung criteria nakalaga for regularization nakalagay mismo do sa contract. So let us discuss. Most probationary contract that I have read, mga gagawa ng mga magagaling na law offices sa Makati. Akong office ko sa Banawe lang eh. Kasi dati nandun yung NLRC. So I always tell my client, I'm a specialty lawyer. I only handle labor cases. So ang opisina ko sa Banawe, andun yung NLRC. So no criteria spelled in the contract means the employee is a regular employee. Pero i-qualify natin yan, i-expand natin yan. Kasi supposedly, dapat yung criteria for regularization nando sa contract. Ang sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, kasi yung probationary contract, it is a waiver. Waiver on the part of the employee, waiver of being a regular employee yan eh. Pag pinirmahan niya yan, wini-waive niya yung right niya to become a regular employee, pumapayag siyang probationary siya. So, there's a school of thought that says that the criteria must be in the contract. Kasi yun yung ano niya eh. Doon dapat magkaroon ng meeting of the minds eh. Doon kailangan magkaroon ng regularization, ng realization, yung employee kung ang taas naman ng criteria mo. Ayoko. Lipat na lang ako sa ibang kumpanya. So, dapat magkakaroon ng meeting of the minds. But let us just discuss that later on. Ideally, the criteria for regularization must be contained in the contract. Para mabasa niya, ito pa rin criteria mo, sir. Di ba? You want me to be efficient. You want me to be courteous. You want me to be a team player. You want me to be honest. You want me to be well-groomed. Di ba? Ako nga, ang dami niyan. Ako, tatlo lang yan. Yung ABC, ability, behavior, competency. So, the employee cannot read the mind of the employer. Hindi niya mababasing, ano ba gusto mo para maging regular ako? Hindi niya alam yan eh. Diba? Parang yung girlfriend mo biglaan lang iiyak. O ba't umiyak? Diba? Ayaw magsalita. Eh, meron palang gusto, ayaw sabihin. Diba? I cannot read your mind. The employee cannot read the mind of the employer. So, kailangan, what are your criteria? Ilabas mo dyan sa kontrata. Diba? So, ganun. Ideally, or as a general rule, dapat nasa kontrata yan. But what are the exceptions? Well, there are two exceptions. Ang two exceptions is that in the Robinson case, Supreme Court said that if the jobs are, I don't know, sinabi ng Supreme Court to, but I don't believe in this. But anyway, sige, sinabi nila. So, the words of the gods in Padre Paoca are the law. Pag self-descriptive daw yung jobs like cook, maid, driver, messenger, hindi na kailangan ilagay yung criteria for regularization do sa contract. Sabi ng Supreme Court, the criteria of these jobs are common knowledge and by common sense. Anyway, yan sinabi nila. So sabi nila, dahil common knowledge daw yan, by common sense, they need not be spelled out. Sabi ng mga Supreme Court yan, okay lang. Pero siyempre, sa akin dapat may criteria rin, pa rin po regularization. Maski na cook ka lang eh. Maski na driver ka lang. Maski na messenger ka lang. Diba? Hindi mo ilalagay yung criteria mo dyan. Eh, di pag in-evaluate mo, paano mo i-evaluate? Diba? Probationary ko, paano